Every commercial organization, let it be industry, trading, small trade, retail trade, or micro trade also. Every commercial organization, whether small, medium, able to meet financially, to meet expenditure, and able to meet the needs of the business as and when required. So, every commercial organization wants to attain financial strength to carry on the business more efficiently, profitably, and successfully. So, what are the symptoms of financial strength for a commercial organization? Let us see. Can we decide that the commercial organization is financially strong enough and financially to meet the requirements of the business without interruption? So, first symptom is the commercial organization should be in a position to meet the financial commitments of interest, installments, administrative expenditure, salaries on time, and also payments towards purchases made to carry on the business on time. It means the commercial organization should be able to meet the cost of materials purchased and the administrative cost, employees cost, financial cost on time as per the commitments given. Another symptom of financial stability, financial strength of a commercial organization is able to acquire new asset or replacement of an existing asset with the inner source of funds, means without going for borrowing, means the commercial organization itself has made available the sufficient sources of funds to meet the cost of acquisition of new asset. Or if it is a highly valuable asset, the commercial organization may borrow funds to meet the cost of acquisition of new asset not more than 50% or half of the cost of the new asset. It means 50% of the cost of the asset is met from the sources internally developed by the commercial organization, internally saved, internally procured without disturbing the existing business by the commercial organization. Another symptom is the amount spent towards materials used, raw materials, and also goods for the purpose of to carry on the business. At least the commercial organization is capable enough to meet to cost to purchase the materials required or the goods required or the inputs required to carry on the business without interruption. That means preparing financially to acquire the needed goods, material, etc. without going for higher cost as and when required, or going for claiming discounts on large purchases and to be able to pay advance for the materials or goods required in business. Another symptom of financial strength is administration. The commercial organization is able to get the wholehearted support of all human resources of employees, suppliers, dealers, professionals, and workers related to business. That is the main success of every commercial organization. If the amounts due to the employees or professionals or consultants are not paid in time, concerned people may not be able to extend wholehearted support to the commercial organization. Hence, the commercial organization's success depends upon the wholehearted contribution of the human resources pertaining to employees, workers, consultants, and also experts whose services are required and whose financial commitments are met without any delay or without any further postponement. Next symptom of financial success of a commercial organization is compliances. Compliances in India, there is a need of many number of compliances to many regulators for a commercial organization. Maybe it is indirect taxes, GST, direct tax, income tax, labor department, power, industry departments, all the compliances with regarding to the regulatory departments has to be fulfilled or complied in time. Otherwise, the commercial organization needs to face the late fees, late interest and penalty and other proceedings. To avoid such situation, the commercial organization should be in a position to meet the financial or compliances in time to comply to the laws of the land without delay. With the help of the compliance is possible with the help of the administrative staff and professionals, consultants from whom the services are required. Next one is marketing. The commercial organization is able to meet the needs or demand from the market to able to supply the goods on time, price prescribed or agreed without interruption. It means the commercial organization is able to procure the material required, goods, inputs, anything required to manufacture sufficient quantity to meet the demand from the market. So this is also one of the symptom of financial strength of a commercial organization. In acquiring the material, the commercial organization may be in a position to demand discount or incentives from the sellers, means from whom the commercial organization is purchasing the goods and material. Another symptom is productivity of commercial organization. Productivity is maximization of the quantity produced or the reduction in cost of production, reduction in time consumed. That is possible with the wholehearted cooperation of workers, employees, and also the quality of assets maintained, means machinery, building, infrastructure, also the required money, material, time, and with the frequent upgradation of self-designed standards of the commercial organization. Means the productivity is possible with the not only with the cooperation of the employees and workers, but also with the availability of goods and services, goods and material, services material on time without interruption to ensure higher productivity with less cost or in less time. This is possible with sufficiency of funds, resources, material, goods and efficient support of employees concerned. Next one is profitability. Every commercial organization intends to earn more and more profits on the capital introduced or in addition to the interest or financial cost met on the loans obtained and the income after meeting the wear and tear expenditure of the assets used for the commercial organization. So it means that every commercial organization is possible to increase its profitability with high productivity and less wastage, less damage, less time consumption with cost reduction, production of high quantity, high quality with less time. That is possible with the reduction in cost of finance as well as wastage, damage, loss. Next one is every commercial organization which is financially strong is able to mobilize funds as capital as and when required to carry on the business more effectively. If it is for a short-term period, if it is not for permanent period, the commercial organization borrowing the minimum finance cost as interest and the expectation of financial needs and the time necessity of funds, the duration of funds required and the usage and productivity of the funds in carrying on the business. That is, the highest usage of funds means less stocks, less receivables, more sales leads to more profits, more turnover, more profits and less damage, less loss, less wastage. And this is also another symptom of means having sufficient financial sources are able to acquire financial sources as and when required as capital or borrowing is a financial strength of every commercial organization. That is to be the target of every commercial organization to exhibit financial strength. Next one is financial strength means rewards. All sources of funds, all suppliers of sources, maybe material, capital, funds, all should be able to meet their share, means purchase cost or interest on borrowings or profits to capital contributed and the remuneration to employees, rents paid for buildings or rent paid for machinery, expenditure to meet the wear and tear of machinery or other assets, and remuneration for administration and management are met sufficiently, comfortably, and that is a reward to every commercial organization as an additional profit to the management of the organization. With this financial strength and stability, the commercial organization will achieve the goodwill of not only the employees or suppliers or people concerned with the organization, but also with the industry in which it is concerned, includes, and also consumers and also market image, which will add value to the image of the commercial organization. The above said aspects exhibit the financial strength of a commercial organization. Every commercial organization needs and to try to have financial surplus, financial strength, financial stability in carrying on the business without going for unnecessary, unwanted confusion, tension, or unplanned need of funds or resources or wastage of time, wastage of funds. That should be the target of every commercial organization management.